Folks, how you doing today? So recently I got in this 1950s popcorn says, which is kind of interesting. Popcorn says, because it's popcorn says, serve yourself. It's kind of a cool little saying they put on there. So I got this in and we did a full detail and service on the machine. We took the globe off. We polished it with plastic cleaner, as well as this has been completely done. This is a powder coat. The cream color is powder coat. All of the graphics on it are hand painted, so there's no stickers, none of that. It's all hand painted. Everything works good, as well as this machine does not pop corn. This is a machine that you buy a big bag of corn or you pop your own corn and put in it, because believe me, the ones that pop corn are a real mess, right? You don't ever want to pop corn in them. This is very nice. The other thing is that we've left the heater in it, and I've put a switch on the back. So as you see, the light is, I have it plugged in, the light is on. However, there's an on and off switch on the back for the heater, because sometimes you just may want the light running to have it in the corner or in front of your theater so it looks pretty, but not necessarily have the heater on. So this thing does make really nice warm popcorn, and as you see, here's your bags. You take a bag out, you stick it in here, and you get your popcorn. Here's an overflow here, and there's a box in there so that if any of the overflow goes in, you can dump it, and I'll show you that in the still pictures. Come on up, Jeff, let's show them how it works. These are really cute little machines. Can you get in there and kind of show them? And this has all been cleaned out and everything, so can they see down in there? Oh, can you see down in there? And you see, here's where it turns in here. Boom. And it gives you one nice little bag of popcorn, and naturally you put your popcorn in here to fill it. It's a great little popcorn warmer, coin operated dispensing machine. Very cool, nicely done, nice graphics. It's ready to go, it's clean. Put your popcorn in it, get right to eat, and put it in front of your movie theater. Put it out on the porch for your kids, whatever you want to do, but it's just a great little machine. And if you buy it before noon, well, I don't know about this one, but we'll try to get it out the same day. And remember, we do restorations. If you have anything you want restored, please send us in some photographs. We have pickup and delivery service nationwide. All you got to do is make a phone call. What?
Layaway?
Oh, and also now we've always done layaway. However, now we are advertising layaway on our website as well as on eBay. So give us a call if you want to lay something away, and we'll put it together for you. We love doing layaway. It's not a problem for us, and then we'll get it shipped. Anyway, thank you so much for your time. Great little popcorn machine. You should cake it.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.